Hello, to solve for s from this given nice math problem. 5 raised to power s is equal to 50. Solution. Five raised to power s is equal to 50. Let's take the log of both sides. We have log 5 raised to power s is equal to log 50. Then this is log 5 raised to power s is equal to log 50, can be written as log 5 plus log 10. Then here is s log 5 is equal to log 5 plus log 10. Let's divide both sides of this equation by log 5 divided by log 5 divided by log 5. This will cancel this. S will be equal to log 5 over log 5 plus log 10 over log 5. This cancel this. We have 1. S is equal to 1 plus log 10 over log 5. But here the log is in base 10. Therefore, this is equal to 1 plus 1 over log 5. But log 5 is equal to 0.6990. Then s is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by 0.6990. S will be equal to 1 plus 1.4306. Then s is equal to 2.4306. This is the final answer. Or we can solve in another way. Let's call this step 2, which is the easiest step. We have 5 raised to power s is equal to 50. Then let's take the log of both sides. Log 5 raised to power s is equal to log 50. Then s log 5 is equal to log 50. Let's divide both sides by log 5. Divided by log 5 divided by log 5. This will cancel this. S is equal to log 50 over log 5. But if you press your calculator, log 50 is s is equal to 1.6990 divided by log 5 is 0.6990, which is equal to, if you divide this by this, we have 2.4306. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have 5 raised to power s is equal to 50. when s is equal to 2.4306, we have 5 raised to power 2.4306 must be equal to 50. Then 5 raised to power 2.4306, this is 49.9938, which is approximately 50 is equal to 50, which satisfies the given equation at s is equal to 2.4306.